Oh god, it's getting cold now. Man, my fucking chest still hurts tomorrow. I'm done with this chicken Alfredo. The diets are kind of funky and weird for me right now. Like if I eat too much red beans or too many bowls of red beans and rice, like if I just once a day, but if I eat it once a day for like a week or 2 weeks now, man, my leg will get some kind of nerve pain. So when I'm like going to the bathroom, I'm squeezing, my leg will hurt so bad that I can't do anything. So I have to stop. I can't flex my abs. I can't exercise with like bracing. None of that. It just hurts too much. Hoping the Alfredo's not doing this shit. Feels weird, like right in here, it just hurts. I can breathe deeply though, so it's good. Yes, it's because transitive shit. Okay, order of inclusion. Oh, how does he do it? Consider scenario. Header A needs declarations from B but forgets to include it. In our code, if we do B before A... Oh. Wait. A needs declarations from B, but forgets to include it. In our code file, if we include header B before A, it'll still compile. Because it gets all the shit from B before it compiles A. Okay. But if we do A, and then it happens before B, the error has been serviced and we can fix it. Wait, hold on. A will be compiled before it has seen the declarations from B, so it'll get an error saying, yo, motherfucker, we haven't seen the stuff. Excuse me. This is preferable. To maximize the chance that missing includes will be flagged, order them as follows. Oh, this is good. The paired header file for this code file. So include the paired header file first. Include other headers from the same project. Then third parties. Then standard template. And that's probably because if those before IOStream included depended on IOStream and didn't have it, you would see that before include IOStream already coming. Because if IOStream was first and then they used it, if they were depending on it, then they'd be cool. But we want to make sure that they're not depending on it. If possible, maybe. The headers for each grouping should be sorted alphabetically. Okay, makes sense. That way, if one of your users is missing an include... So what would we do? Would we go in and do it transitively? No, right? Missing an include for a third-party library or standard library header. Trying to understand this deeply enough. We wouldn't go into each of those and do the including in them though, because we don't do transitive. So wouldn't you just do IOStream to minimize the chance of the compilation errors? Is it just helping you understand your code? Because if I know that something depends on IOStream and I put it before IOStream and then it fucks up because it doesn't have IOStream, and then I just put it after IOStream, like what did I gain? I just spent time fixing that. How is it an error? It's because it uses stuff from IOStream. Should it not be using stuff from IOStream? Yes. We would do another header. Well, but if we had a file that used a lot of IOStream shit, and I had another file that was like a game, let's say IOStream has a bunch of stuff, and I have a header file or a CPP file that makes a clock work from IOStream's stuff. And then I include the clock. I don't want to put all the clock in my main game file. I want to just include the clock. But if I put clock before IOStream, the clock will have an error because it hasn't included, well, I guess, so it sounds like it's making me want to go in there and then do transitive and include IOStream. Header guards do not define variables and functions. Save Dave as the source, as the pair. Specific job. Oh, yep, and be as independent as possible. Put all your declarations related to A and A, B and B, A and A. Don't worry about B. Be mindful what you explicitly need so you don't do extra shit. Oh wait, hold on. Be mindful of what you include to avoid inadvertent transitive includes. So we only do it when we need to. So the point is, you do that first to make sure that those headers need their includes. That way, if later on there are some issues, then we can go and fix them in those files first, instead of solving them by including first, and then the header files come after the IOStreams include. Only include what you need, don't do everything, do not include CPP files, prefer putting documentation, what something does, in the header. Okay. Yeah, sounds good. The big stuff, what the fuck's going on? A little smaller, how is it doing it? Small, why is it doing this? Why is blindness why is the blindness value 0? Oh, so that we can't see, so it said sight to 0 so we can't see, that's why. How does this blind mechanic work? Oh, we just set it to 0. That's how we do it. Oh, what is this whole thing doing? Oh, that's the blindness mechanic. Okay. In order of complexity, from least to greater, small to bigger. Duplicate definition problem. You know what? I'm staying up too late. I'm going to go to bed earlier so I can get enough sleep to check to make sure that I'm all still good. I mean, I'm good. I'm a healthy dude. I went to the doctor the other day for a checkup. Haven't had a checkup in like a year plus. I'm good. But I want to see if I can actually get 8 hours of sleep. We'll see. Because before I would wake up so early before my alarm. So it makes sense for me to cut down on sleep a little because I'm not going to sleep that much anyways. I may as well stay in bed. I want to increase the ratio. I want to get the ratio of time in bed to time sleeping as close to 1 as possible. I don't want to stay in bed anymore. But I also don't want to stay in bed not enough. Get in late so that I'm supposed to sleep 8, but I'm only sleeping 6.75. That's too low. Can't be lower than 1. Okay, header guards. Go. Okay, we upload now. This thing. What did I even do? I didn't even learn. What did I even learn? Rules for including header files. Basically, include the paired header, then the third party and shit that you've already made for your own project, then the standard templates and whatnot. That way, if your stuff before the standard templates needs the standard templates, and it doesn't have them, there's an error in them, there's a bug, it's missing the include, it needs a transitive include, then it will compile error. Because it'll be trying to use functionality that it ain't got. Then I can go into those headers, include IOStream or whatever it needs, and then I can include IOStream for the rest of this program if needed. Okay, tomorrow. Header God.